Finn Balor. The Demon. Demons are seen in folklore. Paul Bunyan is an American folklore legend. Paul Bunyan was a lumberjack. Seth Rollins fought Kane in a lumberjack match on October 12, 2015. October 12, 2015 was Columbus Day. Columbus was born in Genoa. Genoa is the 6th largest city in Italy. Finn Balor was the 5th overall draft pick in the brand extension draft. Finn Balor was the 7th NXT champion. 5th, 6th, 7th. Coincidence? I think not. Let's break this down even further. Finn Balor's finisher is the coup de grace. Coup is a sudden takeover of government. Napoleon Bonaparte took part in a coup. Napoleon Bonaparte was French. France is 238,573 square miles. 2 plus 4, plus 8, plus 5, plus 7, plus 3, equals 29. France ranks 4th in the Fortune Global 500. 29 minus 4 equals 25. Finn Balor was born on the 25th of July, the day he also first wrestled on Raw. I'm not saying anything about anything, I'm just proposing that some things cannot be coincidental. Finn Balor, you've been exposed.